Anyways, I just experienced a microwave weapon attack by the Anne Arundel County Sheriff Department. He was parked across the street at Marley Middle School. Of course, I could feel the energy weapon to the point where I could barely walk. But I went outside, and here he is, exactly at 12 midnight, here on the 26th. Once again, that's the Anne Arundel County Sheriff's Department. He was out here on B&A Boulevard, Baltimore-Annapolis Boulevard, at the Marley Middle School, directly across the street from where I live at. I was already suffering from Havana syndrome, and this attack didn't make it much better. I know some people will, especially perps, will come on here and act as though I'm mentally ill, crazy, on drugs, the whole 9 yards, the whole COINTELPRO tactics they use. But this will all come to light sooner or later. And those criminals with badges that are involved in it, you're going to see an inside of a prison cell. You're going to see a lot of the people that you put in there. You ain't ever going to make it out alive. So you think about that for a while you're out here using energy weapons on people to kill them. I will be putting this out everywhere. Everywhere. See, I don't care what people think of me, because I know it's the truth. Especially when I have an EMF meter going off the charts, so high as if I'm standing next to the microwave oven. That EMF meter I have, it doesn't lie. It just busts you guys out. I got it all filmed and documented for the last almost 7 years.